Ice machine cleaning, indigo, iy0604, Manitowoc. Right over here. '02, looks like 2012 machine date, manufacturer date. I got my little cleaning setup, got my spray stuff, nickel safe, wash machine cleaner for grade, and got all the goodies. All cleaned up. Only use a sponge on these. Do not use any abrasive 3M pad or anything like that. I just use a blue. I keep a bunch of new blue pads in this box. This is my special ice machine cleaning box with new brushes and stuff in it. And I keep new sponges in there for each machine. Curtains all cleaned up. Inside now. Got the water pump almost done. Trying to just get rid of some of that little bit of extra scale right there, but almost done. Okay, let me see. Let's see if I can get you a shot of the upside. Let's see how. Anyway, go through here. We'll go up in there. Not bad. Let me turn on the light. Okay, the light came on this time. Okay. Wow. Got. Hopefully I can see up in there now. No, not bad. I gotta wipe the sponge that out a little more. Got a little bit of scale there. I'll try to keep nibbling at it. Just so you guys know, you can blow through this hose with a garden hose, and it'll just blow any shit in it out the bottom here. So works good. It's just pretty cool. 2019 this is, almost 2020, 2012 machine. So she's about 8 years old. Doing pretty good. Got hey, also guys, don't use any abrasive 3M pad or anything on the microphone. This is sonar, so I just use a sponge and a little bit of the descaler on it, and sponge it. Do not scrape on these things. Treat these things, this and the three probe sensor thing, water level sensor. Be really careful with those. Don't get any water. They do not like getting water above here. So you can put them. I put them in a cup. Is what I do. I throw a little descaler and some hot water or warm water, and put them in a cup up to about here. Do not get any water up into here or in the plug or anything, and always blow your plugs out with CO2 or nitrogen or whatever you got before you put them back together. Dry your plugs out just for sure, you know, just to keep them dry. It's just a good thing. But yeah, and don't do it overdo it on a descaler. Just do a little bit of a few squirts of descaling solution. In a cup, mostly water, and about 6 squirts of just so it turns just a very, very light green, and it'll be neutralized if there's any scale. There'll usually be some scale on this, and the thing will it'll neutralize it out, and leave it for about a half hour or something, or whenever you're cleaning or whatever, you'll know. But just use very light descaler on this. So okay guys, I put a little bit of this waterproof grease. You get it in Home Depot. couple of bucks, $1.50. It was $1 or $2 or something. Works great for putting a little bit on the O-ring. So lube them up just a little bit. So next time you want to take them out, they come out easy. Put it also on the water pump just a little bit, and around the O-ring that goes around the water pump when it goes up into here. Just makes things go in and out. As you know, lubrication is a good thing. So anyways, all right, let's put this thing together. Oh man, putting just a little bit of that grease on that tube that has the 3 O-rings in it that goes in here makes it just go in like butter. It just goes in nice, guys. Gotta do it. It's a beautiful thing. Hey guys, also put it on the screws. Just dip the screws in it a little bit, or put it on the screw threads or whatever. Makes everything come apart and go together so much nicer. It's awesome. Okay, she's all prettied up, all back together. Bolts back in, all cleaned out. Bin's all super sanitized. Full on, super clean, super clean. Hey guys, for the new guys, if you're gonna, when you're cleaning the indigo, make sure, remember to take this one out. This screw comes out with a 3/8 nut driver. Okay, I recommend you put you buy a special 3/8 nut driver just for doing the ice machines, because then it doesn't get all grease from the grease that's you normally use your nut driver for, which is not sanitary for food. So just throw it in your box for what you're doing when you're doing ice machines. So, but this works the best, the 3/8 nut driver, for taking just that one screw out, and then this little curtain comes off. Okay, super clean water trough. Very nice. Very nice. Super clean. Okay guys, you know how the sides of the ice machines usually get like scaled up? Just spray full strength when you start your service. Spray full strength, you know, nickel safe that you're using. Spray it all along the side here. Let it work while you're done, and then at the end of the job, you can use a rag. I use a screwdriver in here, and you put a rag. You know how you fold a rag over on it and slide it back and forth in here with the rag wrapped around the tip of the screwdriver, and you can clean out these grooves real nice. They clean out real nice. And first of all, when you use this brush, you can get them at Ralph's or probably any grocery store or whatever. This Libman, or maybe even Home Depot, I don't know. But you know, just agitate, scrub all the loose stuff off that your descaler has loosened all up. You know, so you can clean up all in here a little bit with this brush just at the end of your service, so it's had the whole time, whatever you've been here, you know, a couple hours. You know, and that stuff is so loosened up everything, and this was pretty bad, and it cleaned up okay, you know. So if you just stay on top of it, then just wipe it down with a rag, and you're good to go. All right, little tip of the day. She's all ready back together, hopefully ready to go. And guys, don't forget to clear the event log after you're done cleaning it and you started it up. So you go to your chart here, you know, and go down to your service, and go to your event log, and you can check it out, view the event log right there. That's what a cleared event log will look like. It just has a long phrase, total 000. That's what they look like. Service event log, and then you just go to clear log and hit check mark. Okay, and once you hit the check mark,
clears it, and you can go view and go back to it, and you can go backwards to the beginning, and there you're done. So just clear the event log. You can look at the event log. You'll have WLP, water level probe, you know, dirty, and you'll have all different kinds of stuff, power failures maybe or whatever in there. But always start out with a clean event log after you've done your cleaning for you or the next service tech that, you know, to see what's going on.